Hello everyone, welcome back to Naynahomemore. Today we are going to be reviewing that popular Crisscross Applesauce Chair. Let's unbox it and get into the details. I'm going to be showing you how to put it together and little tips along the way. Let's get into it. I really like how everything is carefully wrapped. This is called a mechanism, and the mechanism allows you to lower or lift your chair. This stick also allows you to lock your chair in place if you do not want it to rock. However, if you want to rock your chair, you have to pull that stick out and then proceed to rock your chair. Here's our seat cushion, and here's our backrest. You have 22 milliliter bolts, 30 milliliter bolts, extra bolts, and your wrench. And our gas lift. Taking a look at our package list, let's start off with the mechanism. We have our leg, our gas lift, and our toolkit. Instruction manual is alongside the seat cushion. Let's remove our Allen key and 4 bolts to attach the mechanism to the back of the seat cushion. Oops, the arrow is facing the wrong direction. We must make sure both arrows are lined up facing the same direction. That's better. Now let's tighten in our 4 bolts with our Allen key wrench. Now we're going to align the screw holes on the seat cushion and backrest. We're going to use the wrench and we're going to secure them both completely with the bolts. These bolts are the larger bolts. Now, if you've done your research online, you've heard that people say this is the hard part, getting this back part to connect to the back seat cushion. What you have to do is take the cushions, both the back seat and the seat cushion, and smash them together as tight as you can because they're so fluffy, it makes it hard to align the holes up. So you have to smash it and compress it as tight and hard as you can carefully. Sometimes you can use help. I did this on my own. I just smashed the cushions and held it with my legs and just tried to press it and put in those bolts. And once I got them in there aligned, I continued to push down with one hand as I screwed with the other. It is an exercise. It is not easy, but it is doable. Good luck. Line the hole in the mechanism with the gas lift and then press the chair down until it is fully secured safely. Be careful and good luck. And we are done. Now we can enjoy our chair. I would say the hardest part of putting this chair together was compressing the 2 chairs to get the holes to align. That was the hardest part. Everything else was a breeze. Very easy, beautiful chair, very comfortable. My entire family loves this chair. We had this pink chair first. This was our very first Crisscross Applesauce chair that we got, and we loved it. All the kids loved it. They played on it so much. It's not even pink anymore, unfortunately, but it's my chair. I put it in my office. We also bought 3 additional gray ones for our homeschool because they loved it so much. Everyone has their own Crisscross Applesauce chair now. Everybody can enjoy it. Even the baby loves it. Some things that I personally love about it is that it's a smooth glide. It glides so smoothly when you spin, when you rock. It's just smooth. I love that. It's not squeaky or anything. It's just a smooth glide. I love that. Second thing I love about it is if you have a baby, you can use it as a rocking chair. I always rock my son to sleep in this chair, or if he's antsy or whatever, I'll hold him and I'll just start rocking in a chair. It's so perfect. I love this chair so much. If you have children and they like to move around a lot, perfect. They can rock while they study. They can spin while they read or study. It's just a multi-purpose chair that my entire family loves. So it's absolutely perfect. If you're looking for a multi-purpose chair, this is it.